Yeah. Today we will.
Hello, girls. We're on the channel Chupa Chups TV.
Today we'll play with new toy. Slime. Here they show how to do this. Yes. And play. First put this one in, then play a little bit, and
Then
take
it
it
can
away.
go out.
Okay. We will have this.
You have put your swimwear. It looks so very nice. Woo!
I'm getting you one today.
And you have a new one.
No.
Cool. It's from yesterday.
No.
Super cool. It's okay.
I have this here.
So you can go.
Nothing.
And maybe we can try.
Yes.
Okay.
It's little bit that hard. Okay. Maybe out. I have to hold it. Here's some hold. Maybe. Look. It's nothing in. It's nothing in the You can some hold. No, it's the one.
Закрой дверь. Двери закрой.
I'll put this one in.
Yeah. You think it's hot?
Yes.
Turn it a little bit.
We'll put it here. And we have the music. So we just put lights in it. We have a light. Yes. And the music. We love music. Yes. We have got some love music. No, some love music. I did that. You said we are good. I said we have got some love music. I put that one here. How do you see that? You sit on that one. No, I don't sit on that. Yes, that one. It's cold. That's hot. That's so hot. Yeah. You need? Yes. It's little bit hot. That one? Yes.
Maybe if we'll turn on the lights, we can show how cool the ceiling we have.
Yeah. Yes. Turn off the light.
Turn off, I said.
No, you should turn on.
Oh, sorry.
How do you see it like this? Okay. Ow. It's ready. Like that?
Yeah.
It's hurting me one. And I have
No, it looks not so good, but
we will try. Yeah. Okay, still we'll open our slime. What do we need? Is this behind?
I think it's okay now, so you can show to everybody
Yeah.
how the slime works in real.
I'll put it in.
Yeah,
Shall I turn off that one?
yeah. Okay?
I tried to open it. I forget. Next we'll open for you. I can. Do you like? Yes. Она не светится.
2 seconds, I'll put power on.
Мам, включи свет. Мам, включи свет.
Yes, better to turn on the light.
Yes.
Because I really see, but now we can see the ceiling. Ooh.
Мам, включи свет. Let's turn on the lights.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
That was me something. This was nice. Skeleton.
Да.
And
Whee!
remember to close the door. Yeah. Okay, shall I open it? Please, I need to look. We was need to buy red and blue.
Yeah, it was only green there.
And look. This needs to be so high. Can I see?
Дай мне, я посмотрю.
Stand on English. That's okay.
Give me, I can read. Well, What shall we do here? I'll put here so I can see better. Yeah.
So you will sit in the water. And you will
Step 1.
Oh, I so want. And I want to take it up. Yeah, and this will go with your head. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
You have to put in all over around.
Like this?
And wait 5-10 minutes.
Okay, I don't know. That's all. Next time you will put in. Next time you can put in the bowl. Then what will it? It's ready. Yeah. I just want to swallow mine.
Good.
Why me?
Okay, move. So I can do that.
Woo! Woo! Okay. Oh, it smells nice.
Oh, cool.
Not in hand. Okay. How much minutes?
5-10.
Margo, sit down. I'm waiting to. It's come to blue, Daniella. It's come to blue. You don't see? Look. Look. Put it down again. This needs to be in the water. No. Slime on my hair. It's not making my food.
Legs.
Ew.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Whoa.
Okay. Shake it all over. Shake it. And now, yeah. Okay, what's written down? Look.
And we need to wait, you know. And I need some. I'll help you. And here. It is cool. Margo and Daniella to Kenya. Margo, closer. This minute.
Нет?
Yeah. How much meat? 10.
You just play. Don't know, it will come.
It will come. What we need to play?
Don't know, play usually what's...
Yeah. It is food. It's that why I said food. It is like weird slime. Yeah, but you sit in weird slime.
Right.
Look how green it is with you.
Water becomes green, but we have a light which is changes. Give changes all the time. So
It's gonna turn off the light.
now let it be.
It's nice.
It looks really cool.
Yes. Let's have the slime on.
I think we have put too much water here because it's written we have to put less. But I think you can try to touch the floor on the bath because it's on the floor laying down.
And we'll put it up. Do like this. No, wow.
I think it was not enough. We had to take 2 packs. Then it would work. Maybe tomorrow we can go with Margo to Bilka and buy their 2 packs. So try again.
Do that? I want to have.
Well, I think let's go.
I have.
It's because after that we need to
We need to wait 10 minutes. Yes. Maybe 10 minutes and go. They don't have. Let's became green. I will turn off the light.
Okay.
Look. We are going to taste it without light so you can see it. This forever. I want to see here. I can touch it. This milk is what? Look. It looks like slime. And it's only one.
We can remove this slime really easy. Oh god, it's so green, looks amazing.
That's my side.
You see, it became more green.
Yes, we did that.
Cool.
That's the touch.
Really? I don't think I won.
That's the.
Okay.
We need to touch it.
Okay, I'll touch it. Oh gosh, yeah, sticky and funny.
Oh, I washed my hands. I need
like soap.
Yeah.
Oh.
It is soap.
No.
It's not.
Ooh. Yeah.
Like it here.
Slime.
Yeah.
Funny.
Look how much hair. Look.
Do again.
This one looks like slime. Look.
Yeah.
Look. Yeah, it's just like slime.
Cool.
When you only do that, you only take your hand up. Look, I can do that. And just go with you. Touch it. Margo stand this place. I need something. I want to look at the box. I want mine.
Oh, okay. Where is it?
Inside there. There.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't look. Or and look, you can see it. They need to see it, as they can see under the water. Oh, a bubble.
Yeah.
Try to get bubbles and hold it. And you take it out and look. Yeah, they will check the slime test. If somebody should check all of this. I just feel the slime.
Давно? We are talking Russian, but we live in Ukraine in Odessa, so we are talking on 2 languages. Actually, we're talking maybe on 4 languages.
Yes.
Russian, Ukrainian, English, and Dansk.
Danish.
Let it be Danish. Okay, girls, so you can continue playing with this gross slime, which looks really funny. And we'll say
Goodbye.
subscribe on our channel, watch our new videos, and yes, we want likes. Not this, no, only this. Woo!
And maybe this. Yes.
No, we don't have only this.
And this.
So, see you later, alligator. Bye.
Bye.